We're at Dillards at the Park Meadows Mall in Lone Tree, Colorado. We here have a Montgomery KONE elevator. That sounded wonderful. Okay, this is just like the one at Beachwood Place. Like literally exactly the same. Yeah, no, zero difference here. This is exactly the same. Oh. That's lovely. That was wonderful. Take this back down to 1. Okay, interesting. So this was flickering. The button went out, like at the start of the ride up. This thing's running kind of rough. I mean, this thing's kind of crappy. Oh. It's flickering when the door opened. And it's flickering again, and watch the buttons and end up going out. This thing has problems. Okay. That's probably the most normal sounding chime I've heard on this elevator.